Hey, rude boy, me not in a long talk this year, see? My family and my friends, them, and loved ones, them, in the place. And the people, them, hungry. See? So now I'm going to get into the tradition.
So Busta Rhymes celebrate Thanksgiving yardman style. May I tell you, so the man just a spit some patwa up in the place. Yo, the man had some good food, some curry goat, some oxtail, whole heap of food. Yo. Me just have to go run the video. Me gonna see the video. Me gonna see the food. All the food turn up in some good yardman style. Yo. I wish me could have some of that food there right now. Me I tell you, I'm hungry.
I could go down the blood clot line. Hey, yo, chef, what them call this blood clot lamb we have?
French lamb.
French blood clot lamb in the bomber clot place. You know see this? Hold on, no? French lamb in your Ross clot, see? Yeah, oxtail it right corner pocket on the pool table. Yeah, man, you can't stay there and enjoy the blood clot extravaganza. Look, you know, see the yams in the place. One heap of marshmallow in your blood clot. Where you say, Weber father?
Yeah, man.
True. Lasagna in your Ross clot. What happened to them? True. Curry chicken in your bumbo clot, too. Yeah. Where you say, Weber father?
True thing.
Yeah. Have a cook-up rice. Smoke herring and blood clot saltfish cook-up rice. What you know about that? Them don't know nothing about that. What you say, Weber father?
Guyanese style.
You see that white rice, yeah? You think say some regular white rice? Basmati blood clot white rice. In your blood clot. That's what the thing said. Rice and peas in your rice clot too. Yeah. Family, we ready for damn food? Wait. No. We're just a blood clot peas, you know. Hold on now. Fried chicken. You know, see the glow on the fried chicken. When I know black and dark brown spot on the fried chicken, you know, the fried chicken golden in your blood clot. What you say, Weber father, what you say?
Yankee style.
Yo. Hold on now. Hold on now. There's a blood clot, golden blood clot chicken wing in your rice clot. Fried blood clot, golden chicken wing. Where you depend? You know, see the macaroni and cheese, 3 blood clot plate. Only for blood clot cheese and the blood clot macaroni and cheese. Where you say the Weber father?
Let's eat.
Happy holidays, everybody. And one more thing. Young Trillion, pull up.
Hold on. Talk to me.
I just want to say this. Everybody, connect the dots. Get familiar with this face.
Get very familiar.
The deluxe edition of Extinction Level Event 2, The Wrath of God. Available and streaming everywhere right now on this beautiful Black Friday.
Right now.
We got
Right now.
One of the new joints on the deluxe edition of Extinction Level Event 2, The Wrath of God. It's called Hey You.
Hey you. Hey
If you think about a nigga too, tell me what you want to do. Cause you gotta get it to the party. Yo, listen. Trillion is the feature on the song with me.
Yes.
This is my son. I'm super proud of him.
Thank you.
You really try to bust my ass in the record. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting a few phone calls. I gotta deal with you accordingly in the next day. You know what I'm saying? It's in the DNA. This family has a very royal bloodline. And I just want y'all to know, stay tuned, look out for the young king. Tazaya on deck. This is my oldest boy right here, my oldest young king right here. Now look. It's a vibe. We just inspiring. We just want to give y'all inspiration. We gonna get to this food. I'm gonna get some of these drinks. Family, we eating?
That's fast.
Turn up time.